This week, Captains John Beath and Neale guide 3 generations of the Stewart family, plus a longtime fishing buddy through the straits, channels, and streams of southeast Alaska. In both fresh and salt water, the captains are in search of salmon, halibut, and cod. Deep in remote southeast Alaska, there lies a fishing paradise like no other.
Big fish.
Alaska's fishing paradise. Fog prompted a late start to the fishing. Captains John Beath and Neale split the arriving Stewart party between their 2 boats and head toward Danger Point to wet their lines.
So we had a 3-generational family, father, grandfather, and the grandson. So we had Mel, Garrett, and Gary. And we got a late start, so we didn't get out there until 10 o'clock. I got word on the radio that Morris Reef was doing well. There we go, there we go! You're on, you're on! I think that might be a king. Come to the back of the boat. Fish on! There we go. You still there?
Yeah.
King salmon. Good one. See, they got to be 28, and he is easily 28. He's 30 inches. All right. What were we here for about 20 seconds and your first king salmon up here?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Look, he's a clipped. He's a hatchery one, too.
Wow.
All right, well, 2 rods in, got a double header. All right, give him a kiss. All right.
There you go, buddy. There's no fish here. Just let him, see that? See how fast that fish come up? Yeah. Try not to point the rod right directly at the fish. Just always try to keep a little bit of bend. Ooh, that's a hot one there, buddy. That's a hot one there. What you want to do is you want to hear that reel click when you reel.
Okay.
So if you don't hear anything, that means you're not gaining, you're just spinning the line. So what you want to do is just pump up and then reel down to the fish. Pump up, there you go. And like I said, always keep a little bit of bend in the rod. Don't point the rod right directly at the fish, because then the fish doesn't have any slack.
Okay.
So the fish can break you off. Just like that.
Whoa.
Nice one, buddy. Way to go, Hunter.
Thank you.
Awesome. Your first Alaskan fish.
Thank you.
Nice Alaskan silver right there. Hunter's first Alaskan fish. Nice job.
Thank you.
Awesome. Good way to start it.
Nailed it.
Good way to start it.
How long you been fishing?
You know, about 3 minutes.
About 3 minutes. Yeah, thanks to Mo here. Awesome guy. You got there, Richard? I don't know yet.
I'll just stay here and suck all these fish up. Nice job working that fish. Love it. See color. Oh. Just like that. Just like that.
Boy. Nice.
Second fish of the day.
All right. I gotta get some blood.
There you go. Nice job. Nice guys, really nice guys. Guys from Oregon, good fishermen, know how to handle the sticks. Don't have to tell them much, tell them once and they're they're learned, so it was a good day all the way around. Big coho, big giant coho. Right there. That's a beautiful coho right there.
Nice, thank you.
Big Chatham straight coho.
Alaska's Fishing Paradise is brought to you by Whalers Cove Lodge.
Well, we've got 9 in the box right now. We're gonna go out to what we call the hump, which is out in the middle of Chatham. It's a pretty high structure area that's in about 2,000 feet on both sides, but it comes up to about 370 to 380. Water's flat, so I'm gonna go out and take advantage of it while we can, and the tide's about 3 o'clock today, so see if those halibut will bite on the incoming.
Yeah, the gill is relocating to the hump.
I've got half of a group of 6 on my boat, and then another captain's got the other half. And so we parked outside and fished for halibut out in about 380 foot of water. Have you guys ever fished with circle hooks? Just what you want to do is when you feel one pulling, you just reel down to him, and just till you come tight, and don't set the hook. Because what happens is that hook starts to turn. If you jerk, because that hook is buried, it will come right out of their mouth, but when they turn, that hook will work right into the corner of their jaw.
So you never set it?
Never set the hook. Just come down to him, just real nice and slow. And then when you feel him pulling, stay on him. Just pump up and reel down, pump up and reel down.
Sounds easy.
I'll be coaching you.
So we're using a glow-in-the-dark fat squid here with a circle hook, and it's got a swivel. And we put bait on this. And the way this one is rigged up, as the fish comes up, he'll take it and he doesn't feel any weight. He'll slide up here, and then you'll feel it. He'll want to go back down, so just be patient because there's a little bit of give there. That's why you gotta let him eat it.
Crazy shit.
See all of them over there? They're jealous. The look of hate. I really hope there's a fish on here. I'm gonna feel like an idiot.
What do you got here?
What'd I catch? Anything?
Oh yeah, him.
Cool.
No, not cool.
Yeah.
That's called fishing chip.
That's right.
Need about 40 more of those.
Got something on there. Halibut. All right, hooked up. There's no shame in putting in the holder, or I can get you a belt.
I'll take a belt.
All right, how's that?
Good.
All right, you got a good halibut there. All right. Cool. When was the last time you hooked into a halibut? Last time you were up in Alaska?
Yeah, it's been probably about 15 years ago, at least.
Cool.
You got
We're surrounded by 1,200 to 2,000 feet of water, so this is a really cool hump. It attracts a lot of halibut. And it's so pretty out here.
It is pretty.
There's only one other boat, and it's your relative. All you can hear out here is the water lapping at the boat, the ferry going by, and a couple of whales. Yeah, he's a keeper. That's a keeper. You can't go past that. This one doesn't go past it. This is a 39-incher. Good job.
Thank you.
All right.
White meat. Lift him up higher.
Get him off the ground.
2, 3.
Nice fish. Awesome.
Oh, look at that. This isn't over, guys. I got to get my measure stick here. This is going to be a good one. Well, that's got some bend to it. I think it might be a keeper. He was a little frisky at first. Your arm giving out?
He's pulling again.
Yeah, good. That's what it's all about. Feel that fight. Alaskan halibut. That's a keeper. Pretty close. All right, I'm gonna swing him over here because he's hooked really good. Yeah, he's under. He's about the same size as the other one. Perfect. There you go. You got him.
It was a fun fight and he pulled good, but we got him.
All right.
First halibut ever.
All right, Mel, you on one?
I'm on one.
All right.
It's a long ways down.
Was that reel pretty easy?
Well,
That two-speed makes it a lot easier.
yeah, when he's fighting like that.
All right, well, you got him. Good job, Mel. Was it fun?
It was fun.
All right.
Oh!
Whalers Cove Lodge, Sarah Marie.
Sarah Marie, come in.
I'm departing the dock with 3 scheduled myself, and we're heading to Hood Bay and Cabin Creek.
Copy that, have a good one.
Anglers in southeast Alaska frequently head inland to fish in the freshwater streams and lakes. But humans aren't the only ones attracted to the abundant fish in this area. Brown bear are roaming the shores in search of their next meal.
Well, we're up here in south arm of Hood Bay. We're casting, we've got a lot of pinks and some chums mixed out in here. They're kind of milling around, waiting for the tide to come back in so they can go up the creek. Creek's right here to our right. We just had a nice little salve come walking down the beach on us. Matt's got a fish on right there. We got a lot of fish boiling right out here in front. So these fish are just kind of staging here, waiting for the tide to come up so they can get up in the creek. So we're just having a little fun. We got another one on. Oh, one off.
We're allotted so much weight of fish to take home. 150 pounds is what we had allotted for our trip. We were going to exceed that by the number of silvers we were catching, so we decided to go freshwater fishing, and it was just a fun experience to get out, see some new country.
Nice little dolly, huh? We'll put her back. Some dollies eat. They like the orange vibrix. Look at them all going up through right now. Give us a couple more minutes and we'll cross and go up the other side there. Gonna head down and make a few more casts, and then we're gonna go halibut fishing. See if we can get some more halibut out here in Hood Bay. Cool little stream. Got a lot of fish in it. Leave until the next time. Yeah, I don't think the rain's gonna quit anytime soon.
This is Captain John Beath on the Jill. Welcome to Straight Talk. I want to show you one of the things that we do when we're using lead head jigs. We use some cord kind of as a shock leader because these fish have really sharp teeth, or if you get into dogfish, if it's just on your monofilament or on your braided line, it can cut through. So we've got this cord that will prevent that. Plus, when we're handling fish, we can grab that cord and easily deal with the fish. So I've tied an overhand knot and just looped it right here. So I'm just going to put that right in here, run it back through. So there's that end of the leader. That way, when that fish comes up, he's not going to break that off. On this end, double it over, overhand knot. And then I just attach that to the main line. And now I've got that shock cord, so when the fish comes up, we can grab it, we can get the fish separated from the hook. Just makes it a lot easier.
Straight Talk is sponsored by Ray Marine. Don't just go fishing, go hunting underwater with Ray Marine.
We're in the south arm of Hood Bay. Just got done doing a little freshwater stream fishing. So now we're going to try and see if we can find a big halibut. And I do mean big.
In southeast Alaska, halibut between 44 and 76 inches must be released. This size includes the prime breeding fish, which are preserved to strengthen the halibut population. The guides carefully inspect any caught halibut before it is brought on board to ensure that the size requirements are enforced.
Tugger. I'm hoping he's under.
Hope he's not under the boat. I gotta be close.
This fish is
There he is, I got color.
Okay, we got color right here. Perfect size.
He's not an over.
He's not an over.
He's an over the edge. Wow.
Beautiful keeper halibut.
Very nice.
Southeast Alaska. Nice job, buddy.
Fish on. Fish. Fish on. Put down the drop.
Perfect. Another coho.
Add it to it. All right.
All right.
Thank you. Beauty.
Good job. Let's get some more. Stella May, Jill. Yeah, how deep are you hitting them?
35 surface.
All right, thank you. Has it been a pretty good bite?
Just got our first one in.
Okay, we just got here and got one at 47, so. I see Dick is out there in the Killisnoo Queen catching fish, so. All right, keep me posted. Thanks. There you go, there's one. Okay, come to the back, come to the back. That might be a king. That's a king of the day, I'll bet you. Look at that. All right, look at that king. Come on over here.
Yay!
All right. This is
a good one.
All right, oh, he's gonna kiss you.
No.
This is what it's all about. Good job, Neale. All right. One more king and we have a limit for the boat. Gary, you got a king. All three of you guys got a king today.
That's not supposed to happen.
It's close. It's about 29 inches. But hey, we'll take it. It's perfect first day.
Perfect.
All
Awesome.
right, good
Great
job. King salmon.
At the end of the day, the captains returned to the docks to unload the day's catch for processing. Alaska's Fishing Paradise is brought to you by Whalers Cove Lodge. Closed captioning is provided by Courier's Certified Welding.